Did you know there's a substance inside your body that's so corrosive it could completely dissolve a metal coin in a matter of hours? And you produce more than a liter of this dangerous substance every day. Stay until the end to find out how your body protects itself from this deadly threat it carries within. The transformation of food begins the very moment you take your first bite. The bolus of food is transported from the oral cavity to the stomach through the esophagus, a journey that lasts approximately 5 to 8 seconds. Peristaltic movement consists of involuntary muscle contractions that propel food along the digestive tract. This process resembles ocean waves pushing contents from one organ to the next. When food reaches the end of the esophagus, a circular muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes, allowing the contents to pass into the stomach. The weakening of this sphincter causes reflux of gastric acid, resulting in heartburn. The true transformation takes place in the stomach. Digestive juices and enzymes break down ingested food, making nutrients available for later absorption in the small intestine. These digestive juices contain potent hydrochloric acid, which eliminates pathogens present in food and creates the acidic environment necessary for digestive enzymes. This acid is powerful enough to dissolve virtually any organ in your body. Fortunately, your stomach has a thick mucus lining for protection. However, when there is excess acidity, it can corrode the gastric lining, forming ulcers. Digestion time varies depending on the type of food. Simple carbohydrates, such as energy drinks, break down more quickly, explaining why they are recommended for immediate energy. Proteins require more time, while fats require the longest. The stomach gradually releases its contents, now a porridge-like consistency, into the small intestine. Intestinal muscles mix the food with secretions from the pancreas, liver, and intestine itself, pushing the mixture forward for further digestion. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi. These structures increase the surface area through which nutrients can be absorbed into the bloodstream. As peristalsis continues, waste from the digestive process moves into the large intestine. The large intestine gets its name from the diameter of its cavity, not its length. In fact, it is considerably shorter than the small intestine. Its function is to absorb residual water from the digested material before final excretion. If the contents move too quickly, little water is reabsorbed, causing diarrhea. If the transit is too slow, the body absorbs excess water, resulting in constipation. It takes approximately 30 hours for material to pass through the large intestine. The entire process, from swallowing to elimination as feces, takes about 2 to 4 days. Solid waste has a characteristic brown color and a strong odor. Do you know what causes this smell? If you guess bacteria, you're right. Microorganisms living in the large intestine feed on waste from the small intestine. The odor associated with feces comes from the gases released by these bacteria. The large intestine then discharges its contents into the rectum, whose function is to signal the need for a bowel movement and retain waste until it occurs. Closing with a call to action. Now you've discovered the secret of that deadly corrosive substance, your stomach acid. If you want to unravel more fascinating mysteries about how your heart or lungs work, don't miss my next video. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comment below.